There should be a fortification on top of this hill. Didn't say anything about the hill though. It should have. It's bloody murder. Every video needs an intro, right? So consider this it. Hi, this is me. I don't know if I'm going to publish this, but if you see it, then it probably went well. Hello, welcome to the channel. Yeah, I like tech. I like cameras, gimbals, drones, monitors, games, and lenses. I like it all. What I didn't know I liked was going on hikes. So here's the thing. What brought me out into the world, going on hikes all by my lonesome, was Google Maps. Yeah, when I'm bored, I go on Google Maps on the satellite photos, and I try to find interesting places that I can go shoot or fly my drone. And yeah, I found some old Nazi structures on an island outside my hometown. So I figured, hey, why not go shoot make a video? So that's what we're doing. I hope you like it. So here we are. We're in the middle of the woods, and I still haven't found the fault. It's supposed to be around here somewhere, but we haven't found it yet, so we'll keep on trekking. Very windy though. Oh wow, look at this cove. There's basically no wind. Oh yeah, we're definitely flying through this. We have 3 roads to choose from. The one behind me, muddy woods. One to my right, muddy woods. One behind me, gravel. I think we're going with the woods. Because why not? White chucks love the mud. As we're walking, I am coming across some older military structures from the war, and that leads me to believe that we're getting close to our goal. Well, as you can probably tell, this area is quite windy. We've been walking for quite some time and it's been wet. I don't know how the drone's gonna fare. Let's see how this goes. Muddy round number 1 did not pan out. So now we're trying the gravel. Hope you can hear me. It's very, very windy and it's starting to get very grey. I'm afraid it's going to be pouring rain soon. But hey, we'll give it a go. Cold and windy, but beautiful. Wow. So, this is the first proper structure we've found. I don't know where it is, but this is old. Looks like that was an entrance that's been boarded up. So it might be on the right track here. Now, according to Google Maps, there should be a fortification on top of this hill. It didn't say anything about the hill though. It should have. It's bloody murder. Right, we now have rain, hail, and snow, and wind. Gotta love Norway in the middle of winter. Oh wow, there is. This is literally on top of the island. Yeah, seems like this is the top. We are heading to our goal, the fortification, where the Germans prepared to defend against other invaders. Check this out. It's a turret, I think. I'm no expert. Wow. Look at this. Do you see that? That is the North Sea in all its glory. All right, we are back in the car. We have been cold, we have been wet, we've been tired, but we're not done. The sun is back out, but it is setting, and it's setting quickly. When I was looking down from the fortification, I saw a building on an island just off this island, and it had a very cool bridge leading to it. And I think I found it on Google Maps, and I think I know how to get to it. Emphasis on think, but we will give it a go and see if we can get to it before the sun sets completely, and our footage will be worthless. And hopefully we'll find some more fortifications. These roads are not very wide, so I have to let people pass because they don't let me pass. It looks like we can go in here. All right. I think this is where we're supposed to be.